So hello guys, good morning everyone. So today we are going to see Flink installation and executing word count program using Flink. So first of all we will see which version of Flink we are using. We are going to use 1.13.1 Flink version. So Apache Flink it is an real-time processing framework, okay, which can process streaming that data with a high performance. And for you, let me tell you that it is a little bit better than our Apache Spark, because our Apache Spark is also providing mm, providing high throughput, but medium latency. But this by using Flink, uh, we can achieve achieve low latency with high throughput. So that's why it is in a topic that Flink is there. So this Flink is a next generation streaming model, so we called it as 4G. Okay, this app Flink. So today we are going to see first the installation of this Flink. uh, let's go and see installation of Flink. For Flink installation, you just have to go through this download link and just download the tar file. And after downloading the tar file, okay, we just have to extract that file. Like here I have downloaded a tar file of Flink. Here just right click in and extract here, and just change the name if you want. Otherwise you can you can use as it is, okay, as it is in the extracted from. So here I have already extracted and rename it as Flink in my other Apache softwares with Apache software. So after extracting, so first things we are going to do is just open terminal. Okay, so that the installation part. And another thing, okay, you have to check whether Java is present or not, otherwise it will not work. So go to your terminal and check, okay, if your Java is there or not by using Java version. So it will show you the version. So here I have already the Java 8 version, so I don't have to install. Agar if you don't have Java, then you have to install it, okay, by using sudo apt JDK. So after that, after installing Java, so I have already told that installation of Java in my previous video. You can go and check through that video also. So after Java installation, okay, now the thing we have to do is that we have to run our cluster. Okay, so to start a cluster, we just have to type start. Okay, start cluster.sh. So it will start our Apache Flink cluster. So after uh, yeah, as you can see, our daemons are running. So by starting that cluster, so we can go and check our localhost also. Localhost address is 8081 for this Apache Flink. So here it will open our Apache Flink thing. So here right now there is no job. So first thing we have to do is that in your home directory, just create a Flink folder. Let me delete this output one, and you have to provide output input the text with a text file like this. So after forward count program, okay, so after that just go to your terminal and from the same directory, like from the same Apache Flink directory, you will just have to um, type the command, okay, and that command will be like this, okay, Apache winflink, okay, it blendflink, and we have to keep the path of this word count jar which is present in examples batch folder. So just keep this directory folder. So then after that you have to provide your input path. So I am here, I am providing my input path, that is home request, home request. So there is Flink also. So same for my output also, I will provide the same path. So here it is, I have provided my input and output part. Now just run this program by pressing enter. Another thing you need to know, that your Apache, your Flink daemon should be running. Okay, I have already told you how to start, like by going start cluster, doing cluster. So let me refresh this page and you can see uh, our running job is not there because it has already finished. So let's go and check in finished. So as you can see, our execution process, what has done in that process. First it will do the flat map of our program, then after that it is using reducer. So and finally it is writing output to our to that folder, okay, that we have provided, that the same folder of the input file. So let me see the output. Yeah, our output is ready. So that's it, guys. This is a little and short video of doing of doing WordCon program using Flink and also the installation part.